god, I did not expect it to look that colour. That is really pretty. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a little play around with some new products that I've been very kindly sent across from Technic. So yeah, let's try some new things out today and let's test them out. If you are new to my channel, or if you don't know who I am by the way, I am Lucy Stevenson and I upload here on Wednesdays and Sundays, but sometimes when I'm doing a little cheeky foundation Friday, that will go up as a bonus video on a Friday as well. If you do like my videos and you enjoy videos like this, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification as well so you don't miss any of my future videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Woo! For my foundation, I'm actually doing a foundation Friday. You'll see it on my channel, it's already been put up on Friday, obviously. And this is from the Exuviance Cover Blend Skincare and Foundation with SPF 20. So if you'd like to see my thoughts and updates throughout the day on this foundation, then check out that video. I will have it linked down below and in a little card up here or here. I don't know which one. I'm going to start with the PRISM cream, and this is the Starlight one, and this is more of the light one, and this is so glittery. It's definitely got green and pink shimmer in it as well. Don't think it's holographic now. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to put this, oh my god, that is stunning. I'm going to put this on the top of my cheeks and hope that it goes on okay because I've already put powder on. My bad. I'm currently just baking here, by the way, in case you're wondering why is that like that. That's why. Oh wow, that sets fast. It looks so nice, and considering I've put it on top of a powder, like it doesn't look bad at all. It looks really nice. It's definitely more on the glittery side, so if you don't like that, then you're probably obviously not gonna like. Just take off the bake off my forehead. Then you're probably not gonna like it, but I love that. Let's add a bit of colour to my face. So I'm going to go in, I haven't really got a bronzer shade of it. I'm going to put on my own bronzer. So I'm just going to put some of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan, which you know is like my fave. Taking a big fluffy brush to go in with number 7. And I'm just going to blend that into the crease. And please do bear in mind, I'm just putting these eyeshadows over the bit of foundation that's on my eye. So there's no base on here or anything. And that's coming up really, really well, considering there's no base under there. And I'm also going to blend that underneath the eye as well. I'll tell you what, there's absolutely no fallout at all so far. And I always get scared when I do videos where like I put my foundation on first and then like I try new eyeshadows, because most times it does end in kind of like a disaster for me. So this is going a lot better than it normally does. And then I'm going to take a MAC 224 brush and I'm going to go in with the shade 06 here, which is more of like a raspberry kind of colour. And I just think because this is the raspberry edition, yeah, we just need to dip into that one, don't we? And I'm just putting that lower through the crease than the previous shade. Once again, no fallout. I'm really, really shocked. That is really pretty. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favourite colour eyeshadow look to go for? I do love wearing kind of like a cranberry kind of colour because I just think it makes my green eyes pop so much. And I used to be so scared of it as well. I'm just going with that original brush to blend out the edges. But I used to be so scared of it as well because I used to think, oh my god, it's going to look like I've got pink eye. It's going to look like I've been like punched in the face. I've got a black eye. Just not going to look good at all. I'm going to take the same shade and the same brush as well and put this on the lower lash line, but not as low down as the previous one. So you're kind of just doing the opposite as what you've done above, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be going for a GWA brush. I don't know what kind this is, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go in with the shade 11, which is this colour here. And I'm going to put this in the outer corner to deepen everything up a little bit, add a bit more definition. And I love these. Oh, that one's not as pigmented as what I thought it was going to be. I love these kind of browns because it's kind of got like a red undertone to it. And these ones are the ones that really make my green eyes pop. But yeah, I am a bit let down by that colour. That was one that I was really looking forward to getting on my eye. I'm a little bit let down by it, but for the price of it, you cannot go wrong at all. Cannot go wrong. And let's blend that bad boy out. That one had a little bit of fallout, but that could have been my own fault for packing the brush so much to get a bit more colour payoff. So yeah, that could have been my fault. I'm going to put some of that on the bottom of my eye as well, but more so at the outer corner. Ooh, I can see all that fallout kicking about. That's going to go right in my contact lens. And we have got a little bit of fallout, but it just flicked right off. I must have like a sore patch on my eye here because the colour has like stuck to it. And when I was graduating yesterday, this eye kept running like mad and it was really sore, and I was rubbing it all day yesterday. Even when I took my lashes off and took all my makeup off, it was still really hurting, and it's really sore now. So that's not the eyeshadow fault. It's not the eyeshadow, that's my own eye. And I'm going to go in with a really small brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade 1, which is like their black, and let's see if we can deepen this up even more. I do think the black and the brown has been a bit of a letdown for me, but considering like they fell down, they wiped off my face, like just flicked off my face so easily, so it hasn't left like a horrible cloud underneath, as if to say like loads of my eyeshadows dropped down, or I have like dark circles, but really it's my eyeshadow. So yeah, I think considering it's applied really well. Considering, I just wish they were a little bit more pigmented, but the other colours that I've tried so far were amazing. It's just been the darker ones, the darker mattes that haven't been as impressive. But I want to go in with like a shimmery colour in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with number 5 here, which is kind of like a shimmery, bit like a shimmery pink. You can see that there. And I'm just going to be taking a little mermaid brush that Hayley bought me for Christmas. That is nice. I'm going to put that actually all across my lid as well, because that is stunning. Yes, shimmers are coming through. Barely any fallout again as well. Really impressed by that. I am going to go in with the black though, and go in with like a more flat kind of brush, and I'm just going to put this a little bit underneath my eye to add a bit more definition. And I'm actually going to use the eyeliner pencil that came in the other eyeshadow palette. One here, and on one end there's a brown and on one end there's a black, but I'm going to go in with the black and put this in the outer part. Oh, that's really sore. Oh, my eye is a lot more sore than what I thought it was. Oh, now it's watering. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with my eyeball. I think that's the best I'm going to get for the lower part of my eyes, just because they are so sore, and I don't know why. I don't know if it was being out in like all the grass and everything yesterday at uni, like taking photos on the grass. But it was just watering like mad. So let's get some highlighter on this face. So we have quite a few different highlighters to try. We have the highlighting palette, which has like Fairy Sparkle Dust, Cosmic Cotton Candy, and like the other ones on the bottom as well that I can't read from the little screen. And we also have this PRISM highlighter as well. Sorry, the camera's like really washing it out. There we go. And it's kind of like a pastel highlighter. So let's try the rainbow one first. I'm just gonna kind of like, ooh, I don't know if you saw all that. Can you see it all? I don't know if you can. Oh my god, I did not expect it to look that colour. That is stunning. Oh my god, get it all over my face. Wow. Wow. Why haven't I used this sooner? Oh my god. See, it went out of focus because it was just blinded by the highlight. Wow. 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 Just wow. Just wow. That is stunning. That is absolutely stunning. We'll go for a little bit of this one, even though I'm so impressed with this one. There's no such thing as too much highlight. So I'm going to go for the 2 lighter shade because I'm not a bronze goddess enough to go for the other 2 darker ones. So we'll go for a little bit of the Fairy Sparkle Dust and a little bit of the Goddess of the Galaxy as well. Oh, that just gives it a little bit more of a pop. It's not as pigmented as the rainbow one, but that just gives it a nice little glow. That is definitely going to be something I'm going to be using more often, because that is amazing. Really, really impressed. I think that's like shocked me the most out of everything, is how nice that highlighter was. How have I not tried that sooner? Why? What was I waiting for? Why do I have to wait to film a video? Why do I do this to myself? That was just really good. And what else are we missing? Oh, I'll put my brows and stuff on. So my brows and mascara is now on. Let's get some lips on this face. We've got a lot of, let me just grab them. Grab them all. We've got a lot of glasses. I don't really want to put a black lipstick on, not gonna lie. So I'll skip that one, because we did try that anyway in my Poison Ivy video that I did using Technic products, like I mentioned already. I will leave it linked down below. So we have gloss, because some of these are eyeshadow as well. So we have like an eyeshadow cream as well, which I'll have to use at another date. Lip gloss, and then that's an eyeshadow cream. So we've got these 3 lip glosses. We have Aurora, Kiss My Sparkles, and then Ariel for Eric as well. So we have these 3 here, and they are so pretty and sparkly. So I'm thinking, I think I'm going to go for Aurora. We'll see what it's like without any lipstick underneath first. Ooh. So this is the finished look, guys. Thanks so much for watching. No, I'm joking. Let's put a different lipstick on, and we'll top this up with a different colour. So for lips, I'm going to go in with the Technic Colour Max lipstick. And I'm not sure which shade this is, but it's more of like a nudie one. And then to dress it up a little bit, I'm going to go for the Ariel for Eric lip gloss over the top. Oh my god, I absolutely love that combination. So that is the Technic Colour Max lipstick and the Ariel for Eric lip gloss from the PRISM range on top. That is stunning. Oh my god, that is so pretty. So please let me know in the comments down below what you think of this finished look. What are you thinking of these lip glosses? I am so impressed by them. I mean, I tried them in, I'm sure I tried them in my Poison Ivy tutorial, whether it made it in the video or not is a different situation, but I have tried it over the black lipstick and it looked stunning. But I've not tried it over like a normal everyday kind of lipstick, like a nice nude. This is beautiful. And I've just bought a purpley kind of top from Morrison's, from all places, in the sale, and this lip combination will go with it perfectly. But it's not sticky. It's like, oh, there's no grit to it, there's no bits in it to like make it this shiny and shimmery. I don't know what they've done with this formulation, but I'm so impressed. Out of everything, this lip gloss and the rainbow highlighter and the cream highlighter really, really impressed me. I absolutely loved the shade 5, the shade 5, 6 and 7 out of this palette. I do feel like the darker shades just let me down a little bit. I feel like it just needs a little bit more pigmentation to it and not as much fallout, but it still is brought out like an absolutely gorgeous look that I'm really impressed with. So yeah, I've been really impressed by everything. Nothing's really let me down. I think this one is probably something that I probably wouldn't repurchase. Although it did give a nice like a little glow on top of the highlighter. That rainbow one just absolutely blew my head. That this one just can't compete with it. I'm just really impressed with that rainbow one. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below if you want me to do any more Technic trying videos, because I know they are super affordable and easily accessible by a lot of people really. I will leave the links to the Technic website down below, or the names of the products if it isn't on the website, because sometimes it's a bit hit or miss for the website. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm so impressed with this look. What do you think? I just love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes I'll do a sneaky upload of a Foundation Friday like I have with this one. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope we see you in my next video. Bye guys.